Hi guys, I quickly want to show you how to send an email using Python and Django. Now I'm going to use my Gmail account as I don't have another SMTP server. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your Google settings, go to security, and then go to the less secure app access. This will be off by default, you need to switch it to on. Once that's on, go to your PyCharm project, go to your settings file. Now there's a few settings I want you to add here. First one is email host. Now what you need to put in here is smtp.gmail.com. Now just note that you need to have a Gmail account for this to actually work, unless you have another server specified. The next one is email host user. Now that is your personal email address. That's it. Next one is email host password. Now I'm not going to put my real password in here, obviously I'm just going to put some characters in there. Okay, the next one you need to put there is email use TLS. This is just to create a secure connection. So you set this to true. And the last one is email port. Email port, and the port number for this is 587. Now that's it. Once you have this 5 settings here, the only thing you need to do is you go to your terminal. Don't go to the Python console, go to your terminal, and once you're at your terminal, call your Python shell, which is python manage.py shell. Now once you have that shell called and it's up and running, you need to import the library from django.core.mail import send mail. That's imported. Now you can send mail. Now first things first is the subject. The subject is Django mail. That's it. Django mail. You close that. Then it's the message. This was sent by Django. Okay, that's the message completed. Now type in your own personal email address to the recipient, where it's from. And once that is entered, you enter your recipient list. Now this is everybody who's going to receive your email. I'm just going to use myself as an example. And the last setting you need to do is fail silently. So if there's an error, you'll know about it. And that's it. Now this isn't going to work at this moment only because of my password, but I did test it, it works, everything's fine. So you press enter and then you'll see a little digit, it'll say 1 there. If it says a 1 there, that means everything is fine. So yeah, that's it. I hope this helps and sorts you out, and yeah, thanks a lot. Have a great night. Thanks guys.